Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today I'm back with another Palmon Survival tutorial and we are learning how to change your avatar in Palmon Survival game. So the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, make sure that you open up your Palmon Survival game on your device. Once you're inside the main game section, go ahead and tap on your current avatar at the top left corner. This will open the Explorer info page where you need to select your current avatar from the left. And now, from the list of available avatars, choose one of the avatar you want. Some of the avatars are unlocked, whereas some needs to be unlocked. They will be unlocked after completing a certain stage or level. Just make your selection and click on Use at the bottom to change your avatar quickly. So now you can see your avatar has been changed. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.